lately, prices have been soaring for cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and especially Dogecoin.
Cryptocurrency has never been hotter than it is right now. As more and more people, and more corporations, and more celebrities and high-profile personalities get involved with the free advertising and PR that comes from being down with the cool kids of crypto, the more valuable the digital currencies become. And it's starting to turn into a community of various groups. You've got your high-powered Bitcoin and Ethereum investors who spend their time poring over the exchanges and markets, hoping to make some serious profits. And you've got the meme lords of Reddit and Twitter pushing for meme coins and their derivatives. Dogecoin is such a coin. Having been created by two software developers from IBM and Adobe as just a joke, a coin with such a low barrier to entry and with the friendly face of the eternally disarming Doge meme that anyone can feel comfortable investing. But why should you consider taking such a coin seriously when it comes to investment potential? Here are 10 reasons why you should invest in Dogecoin. Hit the like and subscribe buttons and ring the notification bell as we begin.
Thank you, Michael.
Well, now,
me the Doge Father.
Okay, Doge Father. So,
Number 10. Elon Musk is in love with Dogecoin. We had to get to him eventually, so why not first? Elon Musk is adored by retail traders for his anti-establishment attitudes and vast fortune to back them up. He is also very pro-cryptocurrency and has been vocal in his support for Dogecoin. And, as one of the richest men on the planet, he can afford to go all in when he wants to. People standing against him usually lose. He has even decided recently to launch the Doge 1 mission to the moon in the Q1 of 2022, with his company SpaceX accepting the cryptocurrency as full payment for their lunar mission. Number 9. Celebrity endorsements mean liquidity. Musk isn't the only celebrity to have fallen for Dogecoin. Lots of others, like Snoop Dogg and Paris Hilton, have thrown their support behind the joke currency. For investors, Dogecoin makes sense for people dipping a toe into crypto. If Paris Hilton can understand it, then almost anyone can. When celebrities get into cryptocurrency, it almost always creates liquidity for the coin, and Dogecoin is no exception. More people will buy and sell because of the celebrity influence, and this is exactly what allows Doge to be perfect as a currency.
To the moon!
Number 8. The development team are active again. The more active the core dev team is, the better the coin will likely perform. Take the Ethereum team, for example, who have been working on scalability to facilitate developers who want to make dApps on their network. The development team of Doge had been dead for a while, as they weren't exactly serious from the start. However, since people like Musk have become involved in pumping up the coin, the developer team has returned to take care of their network and improve it. This means that the investors will find their investments to be safer and safer. Number 7. It is beloved by the Wall Street Bets community. While it hasn't been officially endorsed by the community of Wall Street Bets, Dogecoin is the beneficiary of lots of people mentioning it. Since it first began to get mentioned by the Wall Street Bets crowd, the silly joke currency has gone up by over 12,000% in market value. What causes this? Plain and simple, FOMO. That's the fear of missing out. And the rally of FOMO-driven momentum has lasted longer than the average hype spike.
Dogecoin was invented as a joke, as essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency, and that's why I think there's like an argument like fate loves irony.
It shouldn't come as a major shock that Wall Street Bets is a crowd that is looking to make money, just like any other. It is about trying to make a statement to the financial system that many feel is stacked against us, the common man, right now. In many ways, the entire concept of cryptocurrency is a stand against traditional finance systems. But to get behind a coin that is based on an internet joke is an extra slap in the face from the community. Number 6. It is similar to GameStop. Another entity that benefited a lot from Wall Street Bets is GameStop, which was heavily shorted by institutional investors due to its weak market prospects. But through what you might call aggressive buying, Wall Street Bets squeezed the shorts out and triggered a rally that saw the game retail franchise hit over $350 a share. And yet another point to prove to the traditionalists, hedge funds took a $5 billion hit in just a few days. Dogecoin has various similarities with GameStop. Though it hasn't suffered from shorts, it has been long considered a joke coin. In the crypto community, the supply of coins is the standard. Bitcoin is where it is because of the cap of 21 million coins. Some coins with high supply are also an attractive opportunity, but Dogecoin doesn't work that way. There are apparently millions of Dogecoins mined every few minutes. And like GameStop, the Wall Street Bets crowd has been buying Doge up and holding it. which creates instant demand. Number 5, its investors have diamond hands. Diamond hands is basically the same as the concept of HODL, meaning that when you buy a cryptocurrency that might fluctuate in value, you should hold onto your stash and not be scared into selling it. It's a great idea when it's executed by large groups in unison. A great example of this was when Robinhood disabled buys on GameStop and the traders could only sell. This was a move designed to nuke the price of GameStop, but people held on, and when the buying opened up again, there was a major influx leading to a new rally.
The most entertaining outcome is what would be the most ironic outcome? That the currency that was invented as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency.
Right.
Wow.
Dogecoin has benefited majorly from the hodlers and their diamond hands too. The majority of money moving into Dogecoin has come from Robinhood. So when the ability to buy was disabled, the price would have tanked if it weren't for the hodlers staying firm, which allowed the price to stabilize until buying was reactivated and the price shot up again. The only ones who lost were Robinhood. It looked like they were manipulating the market. Number 4, Robinhood is trying to get its PR back. Having closed the ability to buy both GameStop and Dogecoin, Robinhood was the deserving recipient of an enormous backlash by the rebellious investors who wanted to stick it to the traditionalists. Put simply, by trying to stop a public movement in favor of something, Robinhood looked like they were protecting the bigger players. However, on Wall Street Bets and Dogecoin, Robinhood seemed to have abandoned this stance of antagonism to the rebels and become much more friendly. So now it is easier than ever to buy Dogecoin at any time. Number 3, diamond hands are getting even harder. Back at the start of the year, the diamond hands were few, and not everybody believed it could really happen. However, with prices now rising, the early adopters have become more emboldened than ever. They know that as long as they don't sell, the price could rise even further. Since the end of April, the price has been steadily rising, going nowhere at all. It seems that hodlers are really into it for the long game. Dogecoin is outperforming the entire market right now, and there is plenty of evidence that the people buying it are not selling. With demand rising, this could be the perfect time to buy into Doge. Even gains from current prices to $1 could be major news, and has catapulted Dogecoin up in the rankings. Number 2, it is inflationary. When people spend money, an economy is stimulated. This creates demand for goods and services and the creation of wealth, and inflationary crypto is the future of money.
Absolutely. To the moon.
To the moon.
Dogecoins enter circulation into the millions every hour. But just because more is coming into circulation doesn't mean that the price can't rise. Price increase or decrease is a factor of the number of transactions and not the amount of coin in circulation. Dogecoin even held its value better than most altcoins in the crypto crash of 2017. Add to the inflationary nature of the coin and its hilariously high-profile position, and now is the perfect time to give Dogecoin a go. Number 1, it's a first-tier cryptocurrency. Dogecoin, thanks to all the previous entries, is currently sitting as the 4th highest-ranking cryptocurrency in the world based on market cap. With a market capitalization of $92 billion, Dogecoin is now worth the same as some top biotech companies like GSK. It's worth even more than the British energy giant BP. These kinds of metrics make anyone getting into the market today look at Dogecoin a little more seriously. Further, the more people taking it seriously, the more people will trade it. The more people who trade it, the more liquidity it will have, and the more momentum its price will continue to gain going into the future. This is an excellent reason to grab some Dogecoin today and then hold on to it for dear life with your diamond hands to ensure that you are in possession of the coin when it shoots past $1. What do you think about Dogecoin? Do you think that it will hit $1 this year? Do you think it will hit $10 one day? Or could it enter into the same stratospheres as Ethereum and Bitcoin in the next couple of years? Say how you feel in the comments section, and remember to like this video if you enjoyed it. Click on that subscribe button too, and don't forget to turn on notifications to stay informed of all future uploads. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you next time.